So yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Fabertech video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows 10. Let's say for example you don't remember the password, you want to reset the Windows 10. As you can see, trying password not going in. So I'm going to reset this laptop. It is a Lenovo laptop. So you're going to press and hold the shift key, go over to the power sign there, click on restart. So it is now restarting. Right, so it will enter this screen. I'm gonna use the arrow, go down to troubleshoot, enter. Reset this PC. Then now you will see reset. So click on reset. So the resetting process actually starting. So this process, it will take some time. You have to ensure that the battery is full charge or almost full charge. So the keyboard type, USA, yes. Just need to skip a few of these steps, really not necessary. Connecting to a Wi-Fi. Next. So once you reach this stage, the process is pretty much complete. It is just like you're setting up a brand new laptop. Right, so as you can see, the PC is now up and running. So now it's just to go ahead and install all of the necessary softwares. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Fabertech is out of here.